Top 7 Highest Paying Jobs in the U.S. The highest paying jobs in the U.S. can vary based on factors such as industry, experience, location, and economic conditions. However, I can provide you with a general list of some of the highest paying professions up to that point. Keep in mind that the landscape might have changed since then. Here are 7 high-paying jobs. 1. Surgeon. Surgeons, especially those specializing in complex procedures, have historically been among the highest-paid professionals due to the specialized nature of their work and the extensive education required. 2. Anesthesiologist. Anesthesiologists are medical doctors who specialize in administering anesthesia and managing pain relief during medical procedures. Their expertise commands high compensation. 3. Orthodontist. Orthodontists are dental specialists who focus on the alignment of teeth and jaws. Their services are in demand, and their work requires advanced training. 4. Physician. Various medical specialties such as dermatology, radiology, and cardiology can lead to high-paying physician roles, depending on demand and specialization. 5. Psychiatrist. Psychiatrists are medical doctors who specialize in mental health and can prescribe medication to treat mental illnesses. Their expertise is valued, leading to competitive salaries. 6. Petroleum engineer. Engineers in the petroleum industry, particularly those involved in the extraction of oil and gas, have historically enjoyed high salaries due to the importance of these resources. 7. IT manager. Information technology manager. As technology becomes more integral to businesses, experienced IT managers who can effectively oversee and implement technology strategies are in high demand and can earn substantial salaries. Please note that these rankings are based on historical data and trends up to 2023. The job market can change, and other high-paying professions might have emerged since then. It's always a good idea to consult current salary surveys and labor market reports for the most up-to-date information.